gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. It's the summer solstice. Time to reveal the newest instalment of the Ffern small batch organic perfume exclusive Summer 24. We'll get into this box in a minute, but just a quick rundown on Ffern. It is a small batch, limited edition, exclusive. You've got to be on the ledger to get your hands on the perfume setup. I know some of you are also on the ledger, and so you would have received your Ffern Summer 2024. So we can have a little chat about our combined thoughts on this one down in the comments section. Let me know if you are on the ledger and what you think of the perfumes you've received so far, or even if this is your first time. But yeah, let's chat. Let's chat smells. I've been on the ledger for just over a year now. This will be my 6th perfume from them. These are the 3 that I still have here, and you can see that they are very well used. I do really like these perfumes. They're not like your usual kind of store-bought perfumes, not even from the really big names, because these don't have that sort of cloying kind of really strong perfumey perfume. This is perfume. I'm wearing a lot. I've doused myself in perfume. Some of them smell really, really good, but you know what I mean. They do hang around for a while. So these do wear away. They're fully organic, and I've really enjoyed them. So this will be my 6th one. I've got 3 here, so where are the other 2? So I have Spring 23. This was my first one. Really, really like it. You can see how well used that is. This is Summer 23, which I think is probably my favourite out of the ones I've had so far. And this is Winter 24. So Summer 23 I have actually sold to one of my lovely subscribers, and it is with her now. She really liked the kind of pepperiness of Autumn 23, and I didn't like it at all, but I missed out on sending it back in the 2-week window that you've got returns for. The Spring 24, the preceder to this one, Summer 24, I liked, but I found it a bit similar to one of the other ones. So I sent it back, and I managed to do that within the 2-week window. So it is small batch, it is exclusive. I'll have a link to Ffern down below. You go on a waiting list to get on the ledger. Once you're on the ledger, they just bill you and send you the perfume. And it comes out 4 times a year, so it's seasonal, literally seasonal, spring, summer, autumn and winter. Quite excited to see what Summer 24 has in store, and if I like it enough to keep it, because I already have 3, and this year I've already bought the Loewe and the Prada perfumes. And how much perfume does one girl need? Oh, that's interesting, that's new. So they always come packaged exactly the same, and you always get a little tester, so you don't have to open the big bottle, because once you've opened the big bottle you can't then return it. So there are a couple of natty little things in here. So this is the box, this is how it comes. There's a little card up here with the tasting notes and everything, like a little certificate with some details of barrel aging days and all of that kind of stuff. This, I haven't seen this before. Tuscan Summer. Admit 1, digital premiere. Scan, sit back and enjoy. So, I shall have to investigate that and see what that's all about.
It's very fresh.
Yes, there's a slight nutmeg.
Makes you want to do roly-polies.
The other usual stuff that you would get in here is this little packet. The main perfume is in this box here, which is going to remain sealed until I've been in here and checked out the sample. In this little box, we've got some gubbins. Little sample there. You get a little terracotta thing in, I don't know what you would call it, a terracotta disc, and the idea is you douse this with the perfume and then you put it in your drawers, put it on your desk, and it kind of releases the scent over time. Here's another tea. My Spring 23 came with some wildflower seeds, and every other one that I've had since Spring 23 comes with tea. The tea is a little bit wasted on me. Here is the sample. I'm going to spray the sample. We're going to open this up and have a look at the tasting notes, and I will give you my first impressions. Is it a keeper? Is it not a keeper? Okay. And they do say once you sprayed it, you should leave it for a minute before going to visit it. It's strong and it's spicy. It reminds me of a habit I used to have of chewing on cinnamon sticks. You may, if you've been on my channel for a while, know that I'm very enthusiastic about my scents, but I've got absolutely no way of describing them in an eloquent and coherent manner. So you get used to that if you're new here, and if you are new here, then hiya, my name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do forget to do that an awful lot. So at the front of this little, the light isn't great, but on the front of this little papery thing we've got this little illustration. On the back we've got a little note about the summer tea, and then we've got all of this, which I'll have up on screen. It's very kind of poetic, their descriptions. High blue skies, meadows sweet and honeyed, a valley shaded by orange groves, water pouring from a terracotta jug, time passing slow and easy. For summer 24, we sought to work with the hourly evolution of natural oils, capturing the scent of an entire day amongst the Tuscan hills as it gently simmers and unfolds. This very same complexity explains the subtle ways in which the scent will adapt to the wearer and age in the bottle, a path dictated by the particular combinations of light and temperature that your fragrance experiences. We hope you find joy in this process. As I said, very poetic. Here we have a little bit on the release schedules on the seasons. I did mention that this is the summer solstice. It is the 20th of June. We have a note on sustainability. We are the first perfume maker to eliminate plastic from our packaging. Every element is recyclable. To further reduce our footprint, we developed a mycelium bottle tray made from fungi. Grown in the UK, the tray is 100% compostable. And it says here that the diffusion stones are handmade in Norfolk by traditional tile makers. Spray with Ffern fragrance 5 or 6 times and leave out in your chosen space. Refresh as needed. Let's have a look at the illustration. Look at these beautiful flowers. This is Summer Meadow by Claire Bassler, Ffern 2024. So we'll have the ingredients up on the screen, but we have got bay leaf, blood orange rind, pink peppercorn, lemon rind, fennel seed, grapefruit rind, olibanum, green mandarin rind. Then we've got red champaca, neroli, bergamot rind, patchouli, coriander seed and nutmeg. And then we've got benzoin, siam, red cedar, hay, brown-eyed rock rose and vetiver root. Right, so that's all the gubbins. And the scent has settled down a little bit on me now, and it is peppery, but it is that pink peppery that it mentioned, pink peppercorn, and I was getting kind of chewing on a cinnamon stick, and I think that's because it was mixed in with the nutmeg and all of those other spices. But it is warm. It is a warm fragrance. Again, I think it fits really nicely with summer. Heady, hot summer nights, drinking cocktails on the veranda. I may have used this imagery before, and that's because that's where I would like to be. This is potentially a keeper. I am going to spray a little bit more on, and then I am going to go away and continue wearing this for the rest of the day, and then I'm going to do a little snapshot update on how I'm feeling about the perfume, and I'll stick it in here. Hello you gorgeous people, it is not end of same day, it is towards the end of following day, and these are my thoughts I really like the scent. I really, really do like the scent. That pink peppercorn, it's light, it's fresh, it's zesty with all of the citrus rinds. And I really, really do like the scent. However, and I've been speaking to my girl April about this. Big up April, everyone. Show April some love. She's recovering from knee surgery, so heal well and quickly, youngling. We were chatting yesterday because she got her Summer 24 as well. She also likes the scent. But what we both said was, "Cord, done it half wear off quick. We forgot we had put it on." It wore off that quickly. Now, usually with a perfume, it'll be really quite strong to start off with and then it'll die down and settle into something. My other Ffern perfumes, I can still smell hours later, hours after application. This, I completely forgot to do my update yesterday because I forgot I'd done it. And look at how much of the sample I've used. I've been using it all day today. And there's barely anything there. So it's a gorgeous scent. It doesn't last. And for that reason, I'm out. So I'm going to arrange my return and try and get that done quickly. So there is my honest update. Smells lovely. Doesn't stick around. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!